Hello everybody and welcome back to Manifest Finesse on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Gaia. That is my Twitter, TikTok, podcast, and Instagram. All the links are down below. And my affirmations list and audio rampage email is down below. And my YouTube membership, where we have more exclusive manifestation content and lives, is linked below. And my master manifestation workshop with programs, ebooks, so much beautiful content to help you manifest your dream life that thousands of people are using to get results in their reality is linked below. And today we're going to do a quick video on persisting because I actually just wrapped up filming for a new program. So if you get it, you'll see this outfit. And one of the modules in there was persisting. And I was like, let me just bring it to the main channel, talk about persisting. And speaking of programs, if you got the self-concept transformation program or the quantum jumping program, I added more video modules in there for the ones that didn't have any. If you already bought it, it doesn't matter if you bought it 2 years ago, a year ago, a month ago, a week ago, you will get the updated program. So log in, check your programs because now there's updated videos, long videos in there. If you have any problems logging in or anything, just email me. But yes, persisting. Today is all about persisting. You need to be persisting. Just persist, please persist more. Persist, and not just for the desire. Persist in your self-concept. Persist that 3D doesn't run you. Persist that you are good enough. Persist there's movement always happening. Persist that you don't have to wait, that things are happening now. Like there's so many limiting beliefs and stories you guys have between you persisting for what you want and those limiting beliefs. There's just not a lot going on because there's not a lot going on within you. There's not a lot of changes. So literally persist for everything. We all know the noble quote, if you persist, it must harden into fact. No matter what it is, no matter what the circumstances are, no matter how outlandish it seems, if you persist, it must harden into fact. There is nothing to be afraid of. You are so powerful. You are so worthy and you are so good enough. You are just not persisting enough. And when I say persist, because I don't want to hear like I've been persisting so much, I'm tiring myself out. Like I just said, you could be persisting, but there's also a lot of things going on within you that you're not addressing. And number two, when I say persist, I don't mean affirm 100,000 times a day. I literally mean make the decision more than you don't make the decision. The decision should be louder than your focus on circumstances, than the old story. Make the decision so much that there's no other decision that you could possibly make because you've already decided. So like I said, a lot of you guys got a lot of other things going on. Time this, circumstances that, it's been this long. You know, this is what they're doing, what they're not saying, what they're doing. I've been rejected, this, that. It's so hard. Okay, what I want y'all to do, get a piece of paper, okay? Brain dump all of your limiting beliefs, like everything, what you think is keeping you from having what you want, because truly it is all an illusion. There's nothing keeping you other than the idea that something's keeping you from having what you want, which is just saying to me that you're not in the wish fulfilled. But let me know what you think is keeping you from having what you want, okay? Write it all down. Now that you have it all out in front of you, create the counter statements, the counter visuals, the counter scripting. I don't care what it is, but you have to persist something new in your mind because your mind just spits out the contents of what's in your mind. So if you're not letting yourself think anything differently, it'll stay the same. So if your limiting belief or block is that it's taking a long time, there's no movement, start persisting against that. I always have movement. Everything's always moving. It's moving so fast. It never takes any time. I get everything I want instantly. It all comes right now. I'm having everything that I want. There's nothing in my way. I get to have everything that I want. It gets to be my way. It gets to go my way. I see shifts each and every single day. Everything's a sign. Everything is a sign. And my friend, she messaged me today, just going through a little itty bitty circumstance with her SP. But she said something to me. She was like, I remember when you used to say to me, everything's a sign. I don't care if it's a stop sign. I don't care if it's a red light sign. Like, take everything as a sign that he's obsessed with me. I'm actually playing out the voice note.
I could have looked at all of that and been like, well, damn, you know, like all of this shit is just happening to me, right? Like nothing is going my way. But I'm still persisting and being like, nah, everything goes my way. Like you said, reality bends backward for me because it's all perception at the end of the day. So I'm not about to sit here and like, you know, make it sound like everything isn't going my way. Like, hell nah. This looks like it quote unquote might be unfavorable, but it's not because it's still working in my favor. Like, watch, in a few days, I'll be like, damn, this is why. Because all these amazing things are going to happen. And I'm like, man, see, this is why. You know what I mean? And then him too, that's going to come and he's going to make it up and he's going to do all these amazing things. I always look at things like a bridge. Like, even if I get, you know, the human side of me might feel some feels, but then I'm like, nah, we regulate, we move on, we feel better. And then I see why certain things happen. You know how you would always tell me, like, even if you look at a stop sign, bitch, that means he's obsessed with me. Like, you look at a fucking red light, bitch, that means he's obsessed with me. Like, you make everything the sign that you want. It's kind of like that. Like, I just give it the meaning that, oh, nah, this is still working out for me. Like, this shit is happening because it's going to get even better for me. You know what I'm saying?
Everything I tell y'all is exactly what I would tell a client, is exactly what's in the courses. Like, everything I tell y'all, if you implement, mind you, she got her SP. She got her SP. Everything I tell y'all, is exactly in real life what you would hear, because it is so true. It is truly the meaning that you are assigning. Everything is a freaking illusion. Everything is a story. Everything. These earrings are a story. This makeup is a story. The shirt is a story. These nails are a story. It's all a story. It's a story. It's a story. It's a story. I call these things nails. I call these things earrings. I call these things shirts. It's just a label. It's a story. So stop overthinking it. You're just giving things different labels, different meanings, different stories, different perspectives. It is all perspective. It is all neutral. So persist, because you get to choose the meaning at the end of the day. So why would you choose the worst meaning? Choose the best possible meaning, because you will experience the best possible outcomes. Keep persisting. Don't give up. Persist. I don't care what is going on, what is not going on, what you thought you were going to have, what this, that. You don't fail unless you decide you fail. You don't fail unless you give up. And even then, there's no giving up, because you're still going to have a story about the thing. I don't care if you don't want to manifest the SP anymore. You still manifested them, because the last story you had is that you don't have them. As long as you decide the story, you're not going to have them. Persist. You are powerful enough. You are good enough. Honestly, self-concept it out too. Because a lot of you need that self-concept. You need to get it down. You need to get it down that your words have power, that your persisting has power, that it's not for nothing, that you are the most powerful being in your entire reality, that you are limitless, that you are powerful. I don't care how much you want to give up. I don't care how much you want to doubt manifestation. I don't care if you want to start saying it's not real. I don't care. Yes, it is. You are powerful. All you have to do is persist. Ignore 3D. Realize, and I don't want to just throw ignore 3D at you and you guys are like, oh my God, but 3D. It is just a label. 3D is a label. 3D is a story. Everything is a story. Old circumstances, current circumstances, past, present, future. It's just a story. It is just something that you're going to end up persisting in anyways. So if you're going to end up persisting in it anyways, why not choose the best story? You have nothing to lose. You are so powerful. You have so much potential. There are limitless realities out there. It is so infinite. I just need you to persist with the one that you want to experience, because that is the one you will experience. Choose the best one. You will be so grateful. You are always one story away from a completely different reality. You'll be so grateful if you just stick with it, if you just believe in yourself, and if you just persist. There's no such thing as too much persisting. There's also no such thing as you haven't persisted enough. I don't believe in that. At the end of the day, you know. If every other thought you're going back to the opposing story, if every other day you are complaining, if in the morning you're waking up and persisting, and at night you're going and checking and reaffirming you're blocked, you don't have what you want, you're checking your bank account, well, yeah, you need to persist more. You haven't persisted enough. But if you're at a point where you're like in the Sabbath, you just know you're good, the only thing you're doing is just separating in terms of you're looking at 3D. So, well, I know it, but it's not here. That's you persisting in the story that you don't have it, that it's not here. So it's like you're so close, but like you're so far. Like just connect it, okay? You persist and you expect. That is all. Persist and expect. Persist and expect. Just like you go to sleep and expect the sun to come up. If you went to sleep and woke up and the sun wasn't out, you would think your phone clock was wrong before you thought the sun wasn't going to come out, because that is how much you just know and have persisted and expect sunrise. So much. Persist. Don't give up. You are number one. Make the stories match the reality you want to experience. You can do this. Make today day one. Persist with this new energy that I just gave to you. I just transferred my energy to you. You should feel so much more better. When motivation goes away, discipline comes in. Discipline yourself, no matter how hard it is, no matter how much you don't want to do it. Yes, you do, because you want that Lamborghini, you want that house, you want that flat screen TV, you want to travel to this place in the world. If you want it, then you'll persist. Persist. You are powerful. You are good enough. You can have it all, and you're having it all right now. Persist, 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 persist. Persist, persist, persist. And that is all. That is all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Persist. Next 30 days, persist every single day as much as you can. Second you think about it, every time you're in the front of the mirror, every time you drink water, take a shower, go to the bathroom, sleep, eat, persist. Persist. You're watching a movie, mindlessly persist. You will see so much results if you persist for the next 30 days. That doesn't mean it can't happen before, and that does not mean it can't happen after. Stop giving up. Stop. This is why I don't do time, because y'all be like, oh, 3 days? Well, it's 4th day. You didn't persist. 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 Stop giving up. Stop letting 3D run you. Stop letting 3D decide if you're going to persist or not. Persist because you said so. So persist, guys. I love you all. Remember, you can have anything you want in this universe, and nothing's too big, small, water, expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.